Today is a new day, and today is the start of my new car journey. So what you guys thought you knew before, erase it, because everything now is brand new. So let's head over to the shop and let's get started.
As you can see, we just ripped out the master. The slave is up here. We want to do that next. Here's the new one. So that's where we at with it so far. I'll get back to you in a minute. Show you why trading cars sometimes can be a pain in the butt. I traded for my baby Civic, right? But look at this. Let me see if I can. Gotta adjust the camera real quick. You see this here? This is broken. Let's see how you go ahead. You see how it's broken? And you can see where they tried to weld it. And you can see that they tried to weld it in the actual car. Look at this. Look at this, guys. They tried to fix it by welding it in the car. So that gave us a little technical difficulty, but we were able to get through it. So now we're gonna put everything back in, leave this clutch out, be on our way, and then I will reveal the car to you guys. Catch you in a minute. Let me show you guys the fuckery. You see this? That's supposed to be adjustable. They have welded it into place. I don't know who was the master welder that decided this was a good idea, but this is what we had to deal with. So we're putting a new one in now, and bleed, time to go. So after much work, I was finally able to get the clutch pedal back in. I re-welded it, and I replaced the master slave cylinder. As you guys saw, they welded it, but didn't do a very good job of it. So that's all fixed. So now the car is running, driving the way it's supposed to be. So now it's time to finally show you the car. So this is my new daily, but it's kind of fun. Alright guys, so that was my 2006 Acura TL. It's gonna be my daily, but I am gonna hook her up, you know, make her sound good, look good, but that's gonna be my everyday car. Now that I no longer have the EK, I figured going a little bit bigger would make sense. So this is the direction I'm going, but I do have a surprise build for you guys. I've been doing something in my personal time off camera, but now that it's pretty much done, the rest of it is coming to you. So surprise car coming in the next couple videos. So I thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.